Hello, my friends. Once again, we will trade today the GBP interest rate, United Kingdom interest rate decision. As I told you before many times, the interest rate is one of the most hard news to be traded because we don't have any numbers gonna change. As you see, all these numbers not gonna change. Also, we have NBC, BOE, Bank of England Monetary Policy Committee meeting with also the quarter inflation report for Bank of England. I expected a bearish impact for the interest rate news. So as I told you, numbers not gonna change, and we have also a Turkey interest rate in the same time, which is maybe gonna make some spikes. So you will see what's gonna happen. Alright, I expect that the interest rate will get higher for Turkey. For Turkey, so 1950 and 18 and 21. But of course, the interest rate for the United Kingdom not gonna change at all. And we have earlier bearish move. Oh, this was the trade of the Australian speech. Reserve Bank of Australia Assistant Governor the bill. Okay, we got it ICM also. So we will give this signal, repair GBP, USD, and GBP, JBY, or GBP Canadian. Let's see which one is better. A lot of pressure before the news, but it's okay. And GBP, JPY, GBP Canadian, GBP CHF. Alright, and we are waiting a good entry point. Anyway, so let's do this. So it will be GBP, JPY, I think. Okay. Expiration time, as usual, 1 minute after news release, and we take the trade 1 minute or something like this before the release. Okay, let me pause the video for 1 minute or something, or 2 minutes, and we'll get back. As you see, big pressure, as I said. Okay, now we gonna wait a good entry point. Come on, you're up. Get up to go entry. Yep. Go up a little if you please. Yes, another. Go up a little, please.
10 seconds before the release, stand by.
Alright, put now. We're still waiting what's gonna happen, and boom! Never. Yep, as I said, never getting what I said. Never feel good when it moves smooth, because the interest rate always make crazy spikes, as you see. And it happens again. Come on. ITM, as you see, I told you it's so hard to trade pound news, pound interest rate news. Perfect heart attack. Let me show you. Get a big spike. I said go up a little, get up a little, and as you see, it's a big bearish. And I think it's gonna continue to get bearish until, as you see, that spike almost 904 to 64, almost 40 pips for the spike only. This spike 905 to 65 almost, so it's almost 40 pips, as you see, in a 1 or less than a 1 minute. I was here, I said up a little, and then we talk bearish, as you saw, and this is how it works. So as I said, interest rate numbers will never change. As you see, these big countries and big economics, the interest rate never change except once or once every year or every 2 years, something like this. Okay, or in the difficulties, or in the big situations like the COVID-19 pandemic. Yep. And as you see, this is our live signal traders trade. Anyway, let's see. It was a nice, smooth, perfect one. That's our trades for today. As you see. All right. So let's go here. So thank you, my friends, for listening. And as I told you, the interest rate never get relaxed, because it's gonna spike like 50 or 70 pips in 1-2 minutes, and maybe retrace it back, as you see, maybe even higher, retrace it back higher, and maybe by the end of the day got a big bearish. But I expect, and you can check that later, I expect after this movement it's gonna take a bullish trend to hit all traders stop losses, because the beginning of the day we got a sideways trend, and before the news was almost 2 hours, start to get a big pressure for the pound, and in that level, in this level, a lot of traders thought that the interest rate will spike hard as a bullish. Okay, so they were here at level 3895 or 3900. Okay, and they tried, as you see, 3900 was a flexible level, work as a support and resistance, and change vice versa. So most of traders thought that they will take it as a bullish from here, and they got like 40 pips stop loss here. So of course interest rate not work like this. They're gonna hit your stop loss. So it's hit your stop loss by 50 pips, then it's bounce it back, as you see. So it's hit how much? 9052 55, 50 pips exactly, as I said. Then back almost 65 pips. So to learn more about how to trade news and how to trade interest rate news, NFB, most hard and big news, and we have NFB tomorrow, by the way. Most hard and big news, moderated news, low impact news, high impact news, speech news, meeting, everything about fundamental. You can contact me from the link in the description for forex and binary segment. Thank you for watching and see you later. As you see, I was counted parish red numbers. Thank you, my friends. See you next news. Bye bye. So can you see that? As I said, it's down 50 pips and now it's up how much? 5 to 30, 80 pips. Now it's 80 and they're gonna reach maybe 120 plus pips after the impact. Okay, so as I said, it's gonna go up after the impact. We got 50 pips down and 90 pips up. So gonna try to explain it later. Thank you and bye bye.